In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely download a file from Google Drive. When downloading files, it's crucial to ensure the file is secure and free from any potential threats. Let's walk through some steps to do just that, ensuring your data remains safe and sound. First, it's important to double check the file before anything else. Confirm that the file originates from a trusted source. If you have the slightest doubt about its authenticity, it's best not to proceed with the download. Your caution is the first line of defense against unwanted surprises like malware or viruses. Always trust your instincts. If something doesn't seem right, it's better to err on the side of caution. Next, if your file is a document, PDF, or spreadsheet, consider opening it using Google's online tools like Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, instead of downloading it directly to your device. By doing this, you can view the file's content without downloading any threats onto your computer. Once you've opened the document and confirmed it's safe, navigate to the File menu and click on Download to save a clean copy onto your device. This practice helps ensure the downloaded file is free from any external threats. If you're still unsure about the file's safety, take an extra precautionary step by making a copy in Google Drive. Right-click the suspicious file and select Make a Copy. You'll notice that the system generates a duplicate, which appears in your drive almost instantly. After making the copy, download this new version of the file. By doing this, you often circumvent potential issues present in the original file. There are times when Google Drive presents a Download Anyway option. This typically happens when Google Drive decides that a file might be risky. Click on Download Anyway only if you are certain that the file comes from a legitimate source and you trust its content. Your confidence in the file's safety is essential here. Lastly, if you're still experiencing difficulties downloading the file or feel uncertain, consider sharing it with another of your Google accounts. Right-click on the file, select Share, and enter the email address of your other account. Switch over to this secondary account, log in, and attempt the download from there. Using different accounts can sometimes provide a fresh perspective or additional security in handling the file. By following these instructions, you'll enhance both your confidence and security when handling downloaded files from Google Drive. It's all about being cautious and making the most of the tools available to you. Use these methods whenever you're in doubt, and remember that safe browsing and downloading practices protect not only your device, but also your personal information. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online.